Here's my desktop. Yes, it's incredibly messy, but there are some quite fun items on here. So let's take a look at the science of stuff from my desktop. Let's start with this little fella. He's a piece I designed and printed out a few years ago as part of a DT project coursework. And recently I sent him halfway to space with the Science Mars Balloon experiment, which was a small-scale study at different materials and how they would work on the Martian surface. And here's the chess set where he came from, featuring the Horsehead Nebula painted on the front, with inside parts made by laser-cut acrylic and more 3D printed pieces. 3D printing is becoming massively important, both in everyday life and at the extremes. For instance, NASA actually are trying to build 3D printers which will print moon bases on the surface of the moon. Here we have a couple of British 2p coins, one from 1971 and one from 2005. You might notice they look quite a bit different. In fact, they're pretty much completely different colours, and they also have different physical properties. The reasons for this is because originally it was a pure bronze coin, but since 1992, when bronze became more expensive, it was transformed into a copper-plated steel coin. On the subject of coins, here's a £2 coin featuring Darwin, which I kind of really don't want to spend. Here are my neodymium magnets. Neodymium is a rare earth metal, and the rare earth metals are known for producing extraordinary permanent magnets. They are often used in high-performance areas such as expensive audio gear and hard drives. And while they look all silvery and shiny, this is in fact just a nickel covering, which protects the neodymium alloy below, and is often exposed because the magnet chipped together with high force. And here is my small gyroscope. And as well as being a fun educational toy, they're also very important in the real world for making navigation systems in airplanes and GPSs, as well as rotating satellites in orbit. And people often explain them in terms of Newton's 3 laws. But honestly, it's just magic.